Hello, my first graders. Welcome to our very first online math lesson. Luckily, it's going right along with the math we were doing in class. We're going to work today some more on double-digit addition with regrouping. Remember, you have to regroup if the ones place adds up to more than 9. And remember, you have to start in the ones place. You know exactly who I'm talking to, you people out there who say, I'm going to start in the tens place. You have to start in the ones place so that you can find out whether you have to regroup or not. It's the only way to do it. So we're going to do some practice problems today. So you're going to need a pencil and paper or a dry erase board and a marker. So feel free to pause me until you have those things, and I'll see you in a minute.
All right, I hope you have what you need. I have one of our paddle boards and a dry erase marker, and we're going to practice some double-digit addition problems with regrouping. So you can write the problem as I do. Let's start with 27 plus 14. Have that written down. Remember, if you need to, you can separate and make a tens column and a ones column. Take a minute and see if you can figure out what 27 plus 14 is. If you need more time, then hit pause on me. Okay, if you're back, that must mean you have the answer. So remember, we have to start in the ones column, and first we'll add 7 and 4. You could do this a couple different ways. First, I noticed that this is close to being a magic pair, right? If it were 7 plus 3, I know that would be 10, so one more would be 11. You could also count on, which you know is my favorite. We could start at 7 and say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember, an 11 looks like this, but we can only put the ones place in the ones place. So we'll put the 1 here, and I know you remember where this tens place goes. It has to go in the tens place. Now we can add up the tens. 2, 3, 4. So 27 plus 14 is 41. Hope you got that one too. Let's try another one. And I can practically hear you shouting from here, saying, do a harder one, do a harder one. So let's do a harder one. Let's do 38 plus 28. Take a minute to figure it out. Feel free to pause me. Okay, if you're back, you must have the sum. So first we add the ones place, 8 and 8. Ooh, that's one of our doubles we've learned. So I know you have that one memorized, and I know you know it's 16. Now we add the tens place, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 38 plus 28 was 66. Let's try another. Let's do 45 plus 38. I think that's going to be a big one. See if you can solve it. All right, let's see how you did. Let's start with 8 and count on 5 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that one, 13. Now we'll add the tens place. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 45 plus 38 makes a sum of 83. Let's do just a few more. I better make them hard then, huh? Let's do 67 plus 29. Ooh, let's see how that one works. Okay, you must have the answer by now. Let's start in the ones place. I'm going to add 9 and 7. Because remember, when you're adding, we always start with the higher number. So I'm still going to start with 9 here. And I can count on 7 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ooh, that was 16 again. Now let's add up the tens place. So we're going to start with the biggest number here, which of course is the 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I can also hear you going, that's a big number. It is a big number. Okay, one more, I think. You know how I get. Let's do one more. So I'm going to make it a challenge one. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Let's do 86 plus 24. Ooh. All right, I know you know 6 plus 4 because that's a magic pair. Now we have to add up the tens place. I see another magic pair. 8 and 2 make 10, and one more is 11. Whoa! That sum was higher than 100. Oh, I hope you got the challenge one. I bet you did. All right, for some more practice today, I want you to get your math packet out. This is the first one that I gave you, and this is the front of it. It has page number 1 written in the corner. This is going to be your practice page for today. So practice adding these 2-digit addition problems. I'm sorry, by the way, it got cut off a little bit in the printer, but I'm sure you can figure out. We have a 3 here, a 5, a 4, a 3, and then a 6 and a 2. This paper is really nice because remember it lines up the ones and the tens for you. Makes it a little bit easier. And remember too that a lot of us were forgetting to add that other 1 in the tens place. So let that be your focus today. Good luck.
Okay, I hope that your regrouping went well. I know it did. You guys are math whizzes. Remember, if you're having trouble with any of these problems or in reading, let your grown-ups know and they can set up a time where you could video chat with me and I'd be happy to help you. I miss your smiling faces, so I'd be happy to chat with you anyway. So we'll be back tomorrow for some more first grade fun. Bye.